Is there one just called beginner's yoga that someone could, is that what it's called, or should someone seek out a specific type of yoga when they're just starting?
You know, there are a lot of different lineages and a lot of different styles. Some of them require, some of them require a, like a heated room. Others are done in a cool situation. So I think you have to really figure out what you're looking for and what's going to be safe and appropriate for you. So a beginner level class would be a really important thing to do if you're inquiring with a studio. I would say ask what is the appropriate level, because a lot of studios name the classes all different types of things. There's Sanskrit woven in there, and we don't always understand exactly what's being offered. So an inquiry is a really important thing. And if the first class you try is not the right class for you, try another one, and then try another one, and then try another one until you find a teacher that you really resonate with, that is sort of speaking your language and moving in a way that feels safe and appropriate for you. So, you know, there's a wide range out there, and it's confusing. It can be intimidating. So my advice would be, don't give up. Keep going. There's a lot of choices. Go to different studios, go to different teachers within the same studio, and find one that is actually a fit for you.
Right.